Want to know how to add an attachment to Replit.com in order to improvise your output? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Replit.com website. So just simply type in Replit.com over your web browser, sign in, and you should be provided with this prompt. We have also created a video on how to sign in if you are confused. So adding attachment is super simple. Select home or create an app, and once that is done, you should be provided with this prompt right here. And right beside auto theme, you should be seeing this attachment or paperclip icon. So you can just simply select it, and now you can just simply upload a file directly from your computer, import an existing project, or import a Figma design, any one of these three. And once that is done, you can just simply choose your file type that you like, and then you can just simply prompt it, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and join in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.